Let's get it, guys. Let's see if we can find a winning trade for Power Hour, everybody. We're just breaching low of day, too. So, potentially, we get a nice trade off the rip. I don't know if you're smelling what I'm stepping in, but I might be smelling a little bit of a 2-bar action. I might be smelling a little bit of a 2-bar action. What's up, guys? Let's see what we get here. Good afternoon to everybody joining. Good afternoon. This could technically give us a 2-bar here, guys. Like, technically speaking, we're breaching low of day. I will watch for a retest back up to like 866 with stops at like 28,900. I'd like to see us push up first. Technically speaking, I know it's right off the rip for Power Hour, but would be valid around like 865 area, guys, for shorts. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh. What's up, guys? Does this guy good? Yes, this guy does good. He goes good. This guy is good. Unable to see your screen. Huh. Of course, the freaking great action came. This 2-bar worked out great right here. So did this one. Look at that. Look at these retracements. I'm going to watch the 65 area. I'm willing to take a stab at that. Potentially start Power Hour red. I am down to potentially watch for this 865 area for shorts into here with stops above these highs. Hopefully we don't just reject here and move down. It's right here at pre-market low. That's the only part. I had just put it on. This 855 is pre-market low. So I don't want to see us reclaim this. I like to see us test up into here, fail, and then continue down. We finally got to close below this. I've become much more patient with my trading, Jdun. Thank you so much for encouragement. WWJDD. Let's go, Jody. I just don't want to see a high volume reversal. I'd like to see us wick into here and fail and move down. I'd like to see some acceptance below this 50% retracement and then move down. We might just get the pre-market low, though. That's the only problem here. Say hi to me if this live is real. Hello. Hello. All right, guys, let's get it. How was everyone's trading morning? How'd you guys do? How did everybody do? I don't know why this mic keeps getting quiet. Come on. 860s. Solid day. Up about 1,200 throughout my different accounts. Nice. That's dope. That's great, bro. That's great. That's great. That's great. Not what I want to see. Not what I want to see. I don't like when we have this candle close and then potentially make a higher low here. We'll see. Nothing for me yet, guys. That's not how I like to see it with this 5-minute candle structure. This 15-minute don't look great either. Who knows? Maybe we'll go up to here and get a nice retest. Let's see here, guys. I don't like when we have this 5-minute close and then move up. I like to see this first initial push up and then move. If we can fail this right here, we still have like 4 minutes left on this candle, but if we can fail this here, I would 100% try the next retest up and then just put stops lower at like 880. So we'll watch that too potentially. We might end up getting it. We'll see. Short now. I don't know about that. Probably. I mean, if I had to choose, I'd go short immediately. If you made me choose. But that being said, I don't have to choose. So I'm gonna wait. I will watch the market move up, down, to the side. Let's see. We also might get an aggressive candle in this 15-minute as well. Do you recommend Lucid, Flex, or Pro? I like the Pros. As a reminder, if you guys haven't downloaded the Lucid app yet, you should. It's so sick. The Lucid app is super sick, guys. The new Lucid app is super sick. You can use code Jdun for for iPhone, iOS. If you go to your app store and type in Lucid Trading app, you'll see it. It's super sick. It's just nice. It's very well done. I can vouch Lucid app is perfect. It's great, right? It's good. They did a great job. All right, guys, here's the deal. We closed on here. I'm 100% trying shorts on this next pop-up with stops at 880. I don't care. 880. I don't care what price does, unless we see like the only time I wouldn't try it is if we saw some massive move down, swept this pivot, and then went up. But if we close here in less than 2 minutes and we retest this 860 area, I'll try shorts with stops up at like less risk 880, a little more risk 900. So you can make that choice of if you like that idea, if that's how you trade. That's how I look at it. I just hope we don't take out this pivot. If we take out 800 first, it's invalid, guys. If we take out 800 first, it's invalid. Do I listen to Linkin Park? Oh yeah, I love Linkin Park, especially all their real old stuff. $840 to $860 for shorts is what I like. Is there a Tradify app? No, but I'm sure there will be soon. I'm sure a lot of firms are gonna follow suit. Lucid did a great job with their app. Come on. Please don't sweep 800. No, 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 no. Please don't sweep 800. Please just wait here. Retest up. Even like a lower retest, like 840 is fine. Might be a little bit of drawdown. All right, guys, no setup anymore. No trade. If we move up, since we're sweeping 800, if we move up, it's very high risk. I'll tell you right now. We could move up and retrace here. It's very possible, but if you were going to say put 3 contracts on before, now it's just 1. Whenever you sweep a whole psych number, oh, that sucks. That sucks. We're sweeping 800. That just absolutely sucks. Just kick right to the huevos. You can still watch this, but it now goes to Ant Asia type size. So like, 1 micro type deal at 840. That's how I'll be looking at it. I mean, that's not how I trade, but Ant Asia, if you are watching this, I like 835 to 855, but we lost a little probability now that we're sweeping this low here. Whole psych number 800. We also have a pivot right here. I'm not confident enough to bounce it. That being said, there's a chance we go reclaim all this. So I'll watch for 860 area, guys. Or 840 to 860. 835 to 840 is my first ad area. Higher risk. Significantly higher risk now that we touched 800, guys. Significantly higher risk. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. But if you're willing to put on a little more risk, then could be something. I'm going to try it if we get up to 835 to 840, guys. Don't you dare reject the 830. Come on. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. I'm willing to take the L if we go up to like 840 to 860. That's where I'd like to see. Even 835. If we get an actual test up there, I'm willing to try it. Not a little 1-minute wick, but if we come into this zone right here, I will try it early. Bruh. How are we going to literally get almost literally right to it? Look at that. One tiny wick to the 38% in this die. How is it going to do that? Whenever we get to a whole site number like 800, 700, 29,000, 28,900, anything whole psych has more of a likelihood of seeing a reaction there. I can't believe we're about to see us barely just wick up here for half a second in the 1 minute. This market's going to annoy the hell out of me. Just give us one nice retest. We'll even take it a little early. I don't need the perfect 50%. That's fine. A little early is all right. Lower the size. Put a little more point risk on. Take it a little early. It is higher risk given that we're bouncing 800, but I like what the 15-minute looks like here. I like what the 5-minute looks like here. Whenever those two back each other up, your likelihood of catching the trade, or of the trade working out, excuse me, goes up significantly. Oh, whoops. All right, guys, let's see what we get. Crazy piece, Paul Molly. Oh, we're going to move down. It's going to be without me right now. We're going low day. You can see it in the tape. Here we go. Let's flush it down. Let's flush it all the way down without me. You can see it from a million miles away, but there's way too much risk on. So I'm going to just pass and watch it move. I will try it if we get up to like 845 to pre-market low. That's like 855. Anywhere in the zone, I'll try it, but until then, I'm just going to watch it move and wait and feel the agonizing pain of watching it move over and over. And then waiting 5 minutes and being fine because it'll come again and again and again and again. All right, guys. How was everybody's morning? How'd you guys all do? You guys all survive? We ended up getting some good movement towards to the second half of the day. First part of the day was lots of accordion, but we got some good movement the second half of the day. My Yahoo. Trump tweet, yup. I seen that. Honestly, the setup to the upside looked good, too. It genuinely looked good. Dun, 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 dun. If we sweep low a day again, guys, I'm going to completely call off the setup. Even higher risk, I'm not taking it if we sweep low a day. If we sweep this low again and then recover, we will have no valid setups. I will not take it even a high risk. Mark my words, record it. I will not take it if we breach this low a day here. I know it's going low a day, too. That's the sad part. We flush the 796. If we do, and then we probably want to go test like these London lows, which are down at like 765. So we breach that. Trade setup's over completely. I don't like regardless that we're holding this pivot right here at 800. And that in general just sucks. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. That sucks when we hold. Couldn't get the full push here. Holding this level again. If we break low a day, it's invalid. If we don't break low a day, I'll still potentially watch it up here. Like 740 to 755. Or to 840 to 855. What's up, dog? Tell this pivot to stop pivoting. It's freaking bouncing. I saw you on a Royval's story. Nice. Yep, he trades with us sometimes. That is correct. If we move up to this like 840 to 855, guys, I'm going to try the shorts. Lower risk. So we'll see. If we break low a day first, I will not try. That's the game plan. If we move up to this area in here, like 845, 840, 850, in this zone, I will try shorts. If we breach this low of day first and then move up, there is no other trades for today. I'm 100% likely not taking a trade. So that's what we're watching right now. We'll sit here and I'll answer some questions, but I likely don't take a trade if we breach low a day first. The degens are going to be so sad. Oh, boy. It's been a frustrating power hour already. Are we on MNQ? Yes. Well, I'm watching NQ, actually, so no. But NQ, MNQ, move the same. All right, guys, we breached this low a day. No more trade for power hour. I'm telling you guys right now, no trades for power hour, at least for this short setup, if we breach low a day. Maybe we see some sort of reversal, but I will not take this if we sweep this low a day, then move back up. Oh, I'll take shorts if we don't breach this low a day first. If we breach it, if we sweep and move up, you're right, there's no chance. You are 100% correct. I will not take the shorts. Did you take the trade? No, I did not take the trade. I have a bad feeling, too. It looks pretty heavy. Does not look like we want to bounce up. These buyers are not stepping in, but too much risk to go short for me. It's all right, guys. It's been a nice, patient morning. Good morning to build character, to build patience. Frustrating day. I've missed one setup that I was really bummed out about. Was that 50% retracement earlier up here. Besides that, it's Monday, so market's not going anywhere. Don't do it. It's gonna do it. When it does break, it's gonna be aggressive too. That's right, DOD. Still technically valid. I'm gonna take it lower risk. If I do end up taking it, I'm gonna put less size on. I'll probably put like 5 to 10 micros or 1 mini. I'll probably do micros. Three higher lows here. That's a little sketchy. Maybe a little bear flag action. At Jdun, please advise. Is it better to purchase Apex 150K evals versus 50K evals right now? I'd actually recommend you go with the cheaper ones. You said, can we request higher payouts on 150Ks? Yes, you can. But more expensive and bigger doesn't mean better. I want you to save your money and spend less on them, and you'll also have a better chance of getting your payout on a 50K. Unless you're already profitable with prop firms, then if you want to scale up, you can do 150K. But if you're not profitable, I'd just stick with 50s, bro. What the heck? Is that news? I want to take the shorts. I don't know if it's news or not. I don't want to short it with news candle. It's going into my zone. That has to be news. That literally has to be news. I refuse to short aggressive news candles. You never know. That has to be news. That's got to be news. And that 5-minute aggressive. Yeah, I'm not going to short that, guys. That's exactly why I don't short those lows, though. If you try to short the lows, you would have been absolutely decimated. Yep, nothing, guys. No shorting news candles. You're in shorts? Uh-oh. That's not good. Hopefully it gets good now, but I don't short news candles like that. That's got to be some sort of news or algo kicking in. I don't know what the news is. It's very rare you see an aggressive pop like that out of nowhere. Typically speaking, you'll see what does he want? What's up? Wait, there's more people there? Oh no. I told him to cancel him. We got it figured out with the last guy. Yeah, I don't know why. I told Gene to cancel everyone else. Huh. It's weird. Yeah, no, it wasn't draining before. So I wanted to give that a shot. Yeah. Frickin' HVAC. Always something. Oh, let's see. How's it going, man? Okay. Yeah, before it was like today, they had to redo the drain because it was backing up. So the flood meter thing, whatever it is, was triggering. So I didn't know if that would help it. But yeah, if there's something else we can do to make it optimized, then I'm down. Sure, let's do it. All right, thanks, bye. Oh, I hope that we can just keep moving out of this range. Even if we dump and I don't get a piece of it. This looks great. This overall daily chart looks incredible, guys. If we can fail this area in here for a lower high, that's exactly what we wanted on yesterday's Sunday prep. Fail these highs, and if we can move, we can breach this 28.4. Oh boy, we got some good movement to the downside if we can get down to that low 28. That would be... It would be great, to say the least. We're going to have to catch a banger during Asia, guys. Trade better, so that's why I never, ever go short. Always pops on me. Don't say that. You just have to have your risk managed. Even if you lose one or two, you probably have some trauma with shorts. That's why you say you never go short. The traumas, I'm just... Let's see, guys. Yeah, daily looks great for shorts, guys. I'm pretty pumped about that. Hopefully the rest of the week can play out really nicely. If you guys have been looking to get lifetime access to Team Bull and also access to my mentorship program, now's the time to apply, guys. It should be in your email, or if you want to hit that application, you can book a call and join here. If you want that lifetime access to Team Bull you guys keep asking about, or access to those group coaching calls, that's the spot to get into it. Got 20 more minutes of market open, everybody. Just drive home to you, baby. What I say daily is doing a 2-bar. I don't look at daily 2 bars. Yep, E-keys, the recordings will be updated, so you'll have access to all those. We love the shorts. Yeah, that's honestly surprising that there was no news behind that aggressive push up. That's honestly very, very surprising. All right, let's get some vibes going. Went to the bathroom, got stopped out. What were you trading? We're entering a bear market finally. You know, I hope so. For a lot of reasons, I hope so. Do I think so? It's debatable. It's Speaking of going down, what's SpaceX doing? 120. If you like SpaceX at 200, you're gonna love it at 100. You're gonna like it even more at 80. At that point, I'll like it too. I'll probably try it around that area too. SpaceX will go to 43. It might. I could see it. If I'm putting risk onto it, though, it's gonna be lower. Hey, I gotta talk my tea. I had all these goofballs in the lives being like, Jdun, you're crazy. Buy SpaceX. Well, it's going up. We're never getting a pullback. I'm like, have you never done any sort of research on IPOs? It's just statistically proven that they sell off typically before they go up. I still think if they get the moves they want long term, they'll probably see a really nice upside eventually, but it's probably not right now. It's just what happens with IPOs, bro, you know? Jdun, should I buy the IPO of SpaceX? I made this TikTok about my GT2 RS versus the GT3 RS, and it's got people up in shambles. I'm like, it's just known facts. The people think that your common person who doesn't know much about cars thinks that the GT3 RS is superior to the 2RS because it's a higher number, and it's just not true. The 2RS is far more expensive. It's way faster. The only thing better about the 3RS is it's a more comfortable drive. Like you'd much rather have that for a daily drive. You'd never daily drive a 2RS. The 2RS is crazy, bro. They go. We got MOC guys soon. We have market on close orders soon. Would I rather have a Carrera GT or 918? Jacob, nice lesson on round numbers. 800 was the best entry. Yeah, a lot of times we'll bounce those. That's why I always tell you guys to be careful when it comes to shorting like lows like this. That's why I only trade retracements. You keep yourself safe. You keep yourself safe in the long term. Only trading retracements, and the losses you do take, which you will, you'll take losses. Unfortunately, my win rate's not 100%. I'd love it to be. I'm working on making it 100. We're not quite there yet. But that said, the losses you do take will be smaller. We also have MOC in 5 minutes, too. That's kind of scary to trade around, especially with how price is moving right now. Definitely a little sketchy. Let's see if this gets a lower move now. Let's see here. Let's see what we get. I don't like trading these last 10 minutes, but we'll see. All right, guys, let's see what we get here, everybody. We're getting this nice retracement from this 5-minute candle here. Right here. That being said, we're above pre-market low. Yeah, pre-market low, which I don't love. We have MOC in 4 minutes, too. So whenever we have MOC in just a few minutes, it's tough to trade around because you'll see in 3 minutes from now, we're going to see an aggressive move up or down. We're going to see an aggressive spike up or down when that imbalance data comes out. So just be careful of that. Please, I'm just joining. Is it a buy or a sell? Right now, in my eyes, it's nothing. It's a stay patient. If I had to pick a direction, I'd probably pick short. You guys got to get that new Lucid trading app if you haven't gotten it yet. It's fire. Don't know. We're getting a banger trade tomorrow, guys. It's coming. I can feel it in my bones. Maybe even Asia tonight. Maybe even Asia tonight. It's possible. That means you're on the Disciplined Trader Program waitlist. If you've been looking to join my small group coaching, get lifetime access, and claim everything that comes with the Disciplined Trader Program, now's your time. You can apply here. It's for my private group. It's a step up from premium. So if you guys are looking to join that, you'll see a lot of the orange names. They get access to all the group coaching calls, ask what they say. They have access to all the trainings, and I'm also doing an updated mastermind class as well. There's a few options, MP Baseball. Book a call. There's a few options for you, bro. Mastermind was great when I did it a few years ago. Yep. Running it back, too, with all fresh data. There's your MOC move, guys. That's what I was telling you. There's your MOC move. Every day at 3:50, 10 minutes till close, we get that aggressive push down or up. You don't have Telegram group or threads? No. I don't. I don't do Telegram, bro. If you're talking to a Jdun on Telegram, it's not me. Damn, look at that. That sucks we had that MOC. Everything else looked fine there. Everything else looked nice. We'll see how this 5 minute goes. This looks very heavy going into the coming trading day, though. This is a great looking daily candle to the downside, guys. From a system standpoint and from a structure standpoint, I think it looks very good for continuation to the downside tomorrow. Obviously, news can change that. This market's been pretty crazy. You tell me to leave you alone. Don't. Well, guys, I need to. Damn, we're gonna have a low freaking day. So many decent setups that I just didn't retrace enough, or were late to the party, or I think tomorrow's gonna be a better day. I mean, today actually ended up having some decent opportunities. Not that today was bad. I just didn't capitalize on it, which happens sometimes. It is what it is. Oh, snap. I hate that we're bouncing 800, though. I was going to say, technically speaking, looking at this, you could look for a retracement like tiered to 840. Just put your stops at like 865 above pre-market low and above that candle high. If it wasn't the last 5 minutes of the day, I'd probably watch for like boom, boom. Look at that. New low of day. I was going to say we could watch for that push up and then down, but we're not getting that either. I think we're going to get a great day trading tomorrow. So if you're on either of the free live streams, make sure you guys hit that follow button if you're on TikTok. If you're on YouTube, make sure you press that subscribe and then also press all so it notifies you when I go live. I'll be live for Asia session tonight as well. I have a good feeling about Asia tonight. So if you'd like to trade with me in Asia, I'll be live tonight as well at 8 p.m. Eastern time, around then. Make sure y'all tap in at that follow button. If you're in Team Bowl, then you already found the best place. Trading is not about candles. Trading is not about candles. Trading is not about candles. All right, then what's it about? It's about bird beaks. That's what it's about. I got a good feeling about tomorrow, guys. I got a good feeling about tomorrow. Hopefully you all chose DOD today, traded smart, traded safe, and stayed focused. So I'm going to mob out, guys. I'm going to teach this group coaching call in a few minutes. So that said, I hope you all had a great trading day. I'll be live with you guys for Asia later. I appreciate all y'all rocking with me, tuning in every day. If you guys are trading with prop firms using code Jdun, I do my best to earn your trust every day and to earn your guys' viewership and support of Team Bull and myself. So God bless each and every one of you guys. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. And I'll see y'all later. God bless y'all. Peace. Oh, crap. Peace.